Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, are you tired of feeling sluggish and drained at your desk? Do you struggle with low energy levels, poor circulation, or high cholesterol? As someone who works in corporate or someone who spends long hours sitting, you know how hard it can be to prioritize your health. But what if I told you there is a simple, delicious way to boost your hemoglobin, lower cholesterol, and supercharge your energy levels? So, say hello to Mighty Beetroot. In this video, I will be sharing 3 mouth-watering beetroot recipe tailored just for you. Let's begin with our first recipe, beetroot and sweet potato tikkis. You can start your day with a nutritious twist on a classic Indian snack. These beetroot and sweet potato tikkis are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals that helps regulate your blood sugar levels and support healthy digestion, so which are perfect for quick breakfast or snack. Now to make these tikkis, first we have to take a sweet potato, boil it, peel it and transfer it into a bowl. Then take a peeled beetroot and grate it. Now to add more flavors, we will take finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chilies, and after that we will squeeze half lemon on top of this mixture. Now it's time to add spices. First of all, we will add roasted jeera powder, black salt, and then amchur powder. Now after mixing the dough well, we will take small tikkis out of it. Now we will put ghee on our tawa and put all the tikkis on it. We have to cook tikkis both the sides in ghee so that they turns crispy both the sides. Now the second yummiest recipe is beetroot rice. So to make it, we will take some mustard oil in kadhai, put some jeera or cumin seeds, mustard seeds or rye, green chili, finely chopped onions and cook it for some time. Now add some capsicum and cook it again for 3 minutes. After that add some haldi, turmeric, some coriander powder and lastly we will add grated beetroot. We don't have to cook the beetroot, just stir it for 1 minute and then add the cooked rice. You can also use the leftover rice. So lastly add the salt according to your taste and squeeze some lemon on top. Mix everything really well and then garnish it with coriander leaves. Now your beetroot rice is ready to serve. Now the last recipe or the third recipe is the one which I make quite often, which is beetroot paratha. So to make it, firstly we will take 1 or 2 beetroot, put it in the mixture and grind it well. So now we prepare the dough. Beetroot will add a pop of color and nutrition to your meal. Now for dough, I am taking the Ashirvad atta with millets. Now add the finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chili, coriander leaves, grinded beetroot paste, some salt according to your taste and then add kasuri methi. Now knead the dough properly and make the shape of any paratha you want. Now put the paratha in the tawa and cook it both the side in ghee. Do let me know which recipe resonated with you the most and try incorporating beetroot into your daily routine and experience the benefits for yourself. Once properly cooked, you can enjoy it with any curry or raita for the wholesome meal. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health conscious recipes and tips.